Welcome to our DIY plantation shutter kit how to assemble video. Here is a range of parts that will be shipped with your kit. The only tool you require is a Phillips screwdriver in both PH1 and PH2 sizes. Inside the box you will find 3 sheets of paper, a packing list of supplied hardware and components, a detailed photo of parts supplied, a list of ordered shutters. Use this list to identify boxes if you have ordered more than one shutter. Check the style ends for numbers starting from 1. 1 will be your first panel's left-hand side. There are 2 styles required for each panel. If you have more than one panel in your window layout, then lay them out left to right. For example, 1 to 4 will be for a 2-panel layout. Number 4 is the second panel's right-hand side. Magnets on styles should face down on the table, shown face up in the video for your reference. Place styles, rails, blades, and if optioned, a divider rail in position. The blades will have a cut out in one corner. This corner should be facing towards the bottom of your panel and on the opposite side of the magnet. Here's an example position of a hang strip shutter on the left side and a U-channel shutter on the right side. Shown from top to bottom of panel, insert rails into styles. Top rail will have a T labelled and bottom will have a B. Make sure top rail rebate is facing up. If you have a divider rail, the rebate at the top of the rail will face down. The rebate on the bottom rail also faces down. Fix one side of rails with assemble screw A. Insert finishing style from top rail to bottom rail, aligning blades as you go. Insert blade pins. There's one on each side of the blade. Ensure pins are inserted all the way in. Now let's fix the tilt rods. Open all the blades and place a tilt rod across the cutouts. The countersunk facing up side of tilt rod. Countersunk side of tilt rod must be facing up. Using screw E with Phillips PH1 screwdriver, fix screws. Do not screw too firm, allow some movement between screw and rod. Insert screw covers over assemble A screws. In some cases, for larger tilt sections, a tension screw is required. This is used to adjust the firmness of closing and opening the blades. Insert tension washer inside style edges using screw B, install blade and attach to tilt rod. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoy your shutters.